Hello everyone, this is Teacher Kat and welcome to my channel. For today, I will show you how to create your personalized award stickers using PowerPoint. Also, I want to show you how you can crop your clip art into a shape that you have chosen so it will look like this. First thing we need to do is to insert a shape. So just go to a blank presentation. We need to press the shift button so we can make a perfect circle. And then I'll just change the fill into yellow, the shape outline into black, and then the weight, I'll just choose 6 because I want this to be super black. Okay, so that's how I make my shape. Next is to crop our clip art so it will appear like this. So here is what we're gonna do. You place the clip art to the circle, select it, and then go to Format. Click on the drop down arrow, select the crop to shape, and then select circle. And then again, click on crop. You will notice black lines show up on the sides and on the corners. This will be our guide to shape up our clip art. Go over to the sides and grab the black lines, making it the shape of the circle that's underneath. Add some text. I'll just copy this one and paste. Go to Format, click on Group. If we are going to resize this one for printing, it will affect the text we added and we don't want that to happen. So we will change this one into picture. Right click it and then save as picture. Okay, there, I already saved it. This is already the picture of the sticker that I made. You can now resize it the way you desire for your sticker. Let's do the same to the rest of your stickers with different shapes. Now, if we are going to print this one for your sticker, I use matte sticker, or you can choose any kind of sticker depending on your printer. So I will just duplicate this one and Control D. Okay, so that's my sticker. I just print it and I cut it with scissors. Alright, so that's it. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to contact me on my email address or comment below. I hope you found this video helpful. Kindly share so others may learn also. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you for watching.